Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to create your own AI Discord chatbot. So for that, we need to create an application first. Head over to the Discord developers portal at discord.dev. Create a new application. Once your app is created, we'll need to make sure our bot can interact with your server properly. Enable all three bot intents. Finally, reset your bot token and make sure you save it somewhere safe for later. Next, head over to Shapes.Inc and sign in with Discord. It's quick and simple. Once you're logged in, just click Create Shape and follow the prompts. It's super easy to customize everything about your bot, from its name to the way it interacts with your server. So just play with all the inputs and get your shape ready. Once everything is configured, click Create and enter your bot token to complete the process. That's all it takes to create an AI chatbot with Shapes. You now have a fully customizable bot ready to engage with your community. You can use the Activate command to make it respond to all messages in the channel. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time!